Hey guys, it's Ken with Family Handyman. Fall seems like the best time to use a leaf blower, but I bet you didn't know that there are a few other ways that you can use it any time of the year. And I'm going to show you a few. Let's get started. When your shop vac is getting a little dirty, why buy a new one when you can just take your leaf blower to it and clean it off? It can be a hassle to bring your vacuum outside to clean your outdoor rugs. Why not just use your leaf blower? You're already outside and so is your leaf blower. Sweeping the garage is great, but it takes a long time. Why not use your leaf blower because it's way more effective? Grass clippings build up on mower decks. It gets wrapped around pulleys and drive shafts. Just clean it off with a leaf blower before it becomes a problem. After that driveway car wash, the best way to get that spot-free dry is to blow it off with a leaf blower. After a storm, you might have some debris or leaves on your patio or a deck. Just take your leaf blower to it and clean it off. Another great way to use a leaf blower is to clean out your gutters. So all you have to do is put it up inside your downspout and turn it on, and you'll blow out any clogs. For this next tip, you're going to need some safety glasses. An important part of starting a fire is getting airflow. So you can start the fire, get it going a little bit, and then you take your leaf blower. It acts as a bellows with a shot of oxygen in there to get it going. You know what another great use for a leaf blower is? Cleaning out the back of your vehicle. It doesn't matter if it's an SUV, a truck, or a van. It makes cleaning nice and easy. As you can see, there are a lot of alternate ways to use the good old leaf blower. For more great tips like these, head to familyhandyman.com.